So Pip, tell us why, how attending the Moxi Engage training session has impacted your business.
Well, I have to say that I had only tried a couple of different things. And by attending the workshop and Jeff forcing me to actually do it, I have to say that when I just last week did a listing sold announcement, in the same day, I heard from several different clients, one who I'm going to be selling his house in the village. And he's like, wow, it is true that I didn't have to think about it. It went out to so many people. And I got several other feedback too. Just, oh, congrats, Pips, this, that, where I wasn't expecting it. Yes, there were a couple of unsubscribes, but I'm really beginning to see the value of it and learning how to use the tool. And just today, I'm on the call now. I didn't realize that there's also an activity feed. So I can look at just today's who's opening. They're still opening it now because I had sent out to like 250 people. So not everybody opened it on the first day. But now I'm seeing yet a whole new group of people who have just opened it. And it does bring a couple of names to mind, like, oh yeah, I should reach out to her, even though, it's just now I know she's seen that. Maybe it's just, I feel like I'm at the tip of the iceberg. And no, I'm not the Titanic going down with the ship, but I just feel like there's so much more value. And I do like this more than KV Core. And I encourage people to come and learn and grow your business.
Great. That was awesome, Pip. Thanks so much. All right, Kev. So how has attending the Moxi Engage training sessions impacted yours and Chrissy's business?
Yeah. Well, it's really starting to take hold. We've set up the groups. First of all, I got her up to about 280 contacts, and we've set up the groups, and now the groups go right into campaigns. So it makes us really efficient. It makes really the time savings of it is fantastic. And I set up just the holiday announcements. Chrissy got 2 clients that contacted her because now she's in the flow. If you read the book on ninja selling, when it talks about staying in the flow, that's really is what's happening. And so we got about 3 campaigns going out. Another thing is listing announcements, and when you just sold announcements. And I feel it's really keeping her in the flow. And like I said, she got 2 new clients. She's got 1 client. She's 2 new buyer clients through it.
As a direct result of the marketing.
As a direct result of coming to the Moxi Engage training, right, and me starting all the campaigns and the campaigns going out to our clients.
Right. Now, Kev, you had been an expert user of KV Core, correct?
Yes.
And you also had access to Chrissy's Moxi to help her out for well over a year, correct?
Correct.
But it wasn't until you started coming to the training where we're actually doing hands-on stuff, right? Getting it together that it actually got set up, right?
Yeah, like I was, really a super user of KV Core. Like I knew KV Core inside out, and I kind of got stuck on KV Core. And when we first went to to Better Homes and Gardens, I didn't really embrace Moxi like I should have, and now then I came to these trainings, and it's taken me to a whole nother level where actually I prefer, at this point, I think I prefer Moxi. It's actually working that good for us, so I'm just hoping, I just want to see Chrissy's business blow up, I'm trying to help her. So.
Yeah. How about that? Okay, cool. Thank you guys. I really appreciate that. I think, that's going to make all the difference in the world, guys.